kaupapa of Green Jam, which is getting schools in Tāmaki all together to talk about zero waste and what they're doing for action in their futures. Oh, that was a mouthful. But for right now, we have some very special guests. So, introducing Para Kore Ki Waiorea.
Kia ora! Wait, one more.
And hi.
Hey. So these are our awesome rangatahi from the Kaitiaki Ropu at Waiorea. Yeah, we've just kind of been hanging out with these guys and doing some mean mahi around the climate changing and plastic pollution and zero waste kaupapa. So welcome whanau. We'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Bye.
Later. Oh, are you just gonna... Basically the last session was the planning session, but it was a little bit boring. So we stole all the rangatahi. And we're now looking at the giraffe. Hashtag Para Kore Ki Tāmaki. Say hi guys! So we are here at the zoo. We've had an awesome day and we're just about to close up with these guys. So yeah, we're just gonna say a little bit of a karakia, say your byes, and then yeah, we're just gonna chill out. Did you have a good day? Yay! Recycle! Everything they said. So yeah, thank you for watching. We will see you guys next time. Make good choices, stay safe. Yeah. Bye! Bye! Tell us say goodbye.
Para Kore Ki Tāmaki, over and out.
Boom! Oh, wait, there's more.
Okay, now, Para Kore Ki Tāmaki Makaurau, over and out.
Bye!